My next section for brainstorming ideas, I'm going to draw a lot of information from the notes guide that I was working with when we first started watching the film version of Watson's. And I'm going to create a double bubble map here on my paper. So I'm going to write film on one section, and I'll write book in the other. Now yours might be different depending on which prompt you've decided to use. I've decided to talk about the second prompt, which was better at showing the historical events in 1963. Now, I know that the film and the book both talked about the bombing. So I would put that as a similarity in my circle map. But in the film, there was music that really dramatized that bombing and made me feel what was going on. And in the book, they could only describe it. So it was just description. I could also think about the effects of segregation, right? So in the book, I saw, actually in both of them, Dad mentioned the colored-only bathrooms. But in the film, there were those two contrasting scenes at the restaurants, and those showed segregation. Go ahead and add as much information as you need to complete your double bubble map. When you've created your double bubble map, you're ready to move on to the next section. Before you do that, though, now it's important to decide, okay, based on your information, is the film better or the book better? Put a star next to what you think is better at conveying the message or showing the impact of the events. Get ready to move on to the next section.